There is one critical AWS security test cases, which we will understand where it involves ensuring identity and access management IAM policies are properly configured to prevent unauthorized access. This includes verifying least privilege access, checking for overly permissive roles, and ensuring multi-factor authentication (MFA) is enabled. Without proper configuration, attackers could exploit mismanaged access controls, leading to data breaches or system compromises. At Cybertix, we specialize in comprehensive AWS security testing, covering everything from IAM configurations to encryption and network security. Let us help you secure your cloud infrastructure with a full range of AWS security test cases. Feel free to reach out for a consultation. Thank you.